Over the past months, the government's biggest challenge, apart from controlling the spread of COVID-19, has been sourcing the Sputnik second doses. While the government has been receiving a weekly supply of 5,000 second doses, those shipments were inconsistent and insufficient. As such, 80,000 persons who were expecting their second dose were forced to wait. Fortunately, that wait is finally over, at least for now, thanks to the arrival of 50,000 second doses of the Sputnik vaccines received by government on Monday. While it was announced by the Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony, on Tuesday that the vaccine doses will be available on Wednesday, the minister warned that the Sputnik second doses will be administered in a first-come, first-served basis. As such, on Wednesday morning, scores of persons assembled at numerous vaccination sites across the country to access the long-overdue second dose of the Sputnik vaccines. Nightly News visited several prominent health centers on the East Coast of Demerara to garner the views of some of the persons awaiting their second dose. At the Lusignan Health Center, there were over 80 persons waiting in queue to receive the jab, some from as early as 6 a.m. One woman who has been waiting to receive her second dose for over 3 months said that she is proud the vaccines are finally here in a large quantity.
From 11 o'clock to till this time here. Still waiting. But we're proud. I'm proud. I don't know for others. I'm proud I'm getting it today.
This newscast was reliably informed by a nurse at the health center that some 300 doses were administered during the first half of the day. Over at the Plaisance Health Center, an estimated 30 persons were also waiting patiently to receive the long-overdue Sputnik vaccine. Sharing her thoughts in the vaccination drive at the health center was Danmati Siram Diaz.
I was waiting 3 months ago, but thank God that the vaccine is here, so everyone can have their second dose.
Over 60 second doses were administered at the Plaisance Health Center during the first half of the day. The next stop was the Better Acton Health Center, where an expected large number of persons were also waiting patiently to access the vaccines. This newscast was told by Nurse Elias that the turnout has been phenomenal.
The second dose Sputnik has been great. It's like, if you look at me, I didn't have my lunch yet. Because the turnout has been big, and we are trying to give everyone their vaccines because we are trying to stop the spread of COVID-19. We have administered, for Sputnik, we administer over 160. We also administer second doses of AstraZeneca, Sinopharm first and second doses also.
But while the majority of persons were happy to finally be in the fully vaccinated category, according to Muhammad Ali, his efforts to access the vaccines on Wednesday morning were all futile.
When you go one health center, they ain't got it. They send it to another one. Then go to another one, they ain't got it. So they got it like a full running. They're not publishing in the papers big that, Monday go to Melanie, you get second dose.
Meanwhile, at the Georgetown Public Hospital, a large number of persons were seen gathered outside the gate awaiting their second doses. The high turnout was the same at the Ministry of Health's vaccination site at Brickdam, Georgetown. For the HDP Nightly News, Kendell Richmond.